Hey, it's Jason.
And I'm Kyle.
We are out here checking out a pond today, and we wanted to make a video on how we build up when your ground level is lower than where you want to start your waterfall. So when we want to build up where our waterfall is higher than our existing ground, first thing we do is set the biofalls at the correct height.
Exactly. So when the grade is actually pitching away or working against us to get the elevation that we need for those waterfalls, we will typically have to berm up a bit, get the biofalls set at the height that we want the waterfalls, and then it becomes a little bit more tricky how to hide those components.
So the first step is to set your biofalls, but not set it in the line of sight. Turn it and set it just so that it's not the first thing you see when you look up at your waterfalls.
So the way that our crew really accomplishes this is we envision where we want that top waterfall to be, and then we offset the biofalls, almost creating a small stream area that leads up to that first drop.
Step two is that you need to get your soil level right. Now's a good time to start excavating your pond or excavating your pondless waterfall. Bring soil in from somewhere. If you build up 3 feet, start building out 3 feet level in all directions before it starts to slope down.
Yeah, the main point is to have this look as natural as possible. So we never want that really volcano look, a nice tapered berm area where that water is originating from. It's going to give it the most natural look.
Very important thing is to make sure you're compacting your soil as you're building up so that you don't get a lot of settling and leaks on your pond later. Step three, let's add some boulders to the outside. So we got our waterfalls and our stream coming through. Once that part's done, build some rocks out to the outside. We call them outcroppings, and it's what will make the water feature look a lot more natural. When you're walking through Mother Nature, you don't see just waterfalls in one place. You see rocks out to the left and the right and all around.
So it helps with the structure of the berm, number one, but then two, it softens up everything around what that main focal point is, and that's going to be the moving water in the waterfalls.
Step four is landscaping your berm. It's exactly what you just said as far as softening those rocks, softening that stream, and softening that water feature. And the way that you do that is get a little bit creative with your plantings, try and get the plants growing over top of your rocks, and have a really nice mix of year-round interest. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. Please remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep building your outdoor dreams.